Hey everyone, I'm making a quick video on how to do a half wrap, which I did not realize was so easy. It was always like this elusive thing for me that I never knew how people did it until I actually tried doing it yesterday. So I'm happy to share with you what I've learned over the past 2 days of wearing a half wrap. I am here at headquarters. We are preparing for Black Friday and it's insane and exciting. And I'm just taking a break to make this video. So, sorry, let me just talk a little bit about this. As you can see, I have like quite a bit of volume here. I don't have any sort of shaper, anything underneath, but I do have a no-slip headband, and this has been on all day. I've been having straps going on in and out of cars, kids, the whole shebang. So I'm just gonna take this off. You can do this with any scarf. I did it yesterday with the soft pashmina. And let me just show you what I've done. Okay, this is like wash and wear hair that I've got going on underneath. What you'll want to do is if you're showing hair at the front of a tichel, you will want to decide if you want to have it parted at the front or pulled back. So I've decided that I would like it parted. Now what you want to do is you want to get the hair out of your face when you're doing this. I find it easier. I suppose you don't really need to do it, but I find it easier. So I've got the hair out of my face tied back. Gonna put on my velvet headband. You can use the one with Velcro or without. So I'm gonna put it right here and fasten it underneath. And again, because I like it kind of loose and not really perfect looking, I'm not gonna be too picky about how my hair looks up front, but you can make it as neat as you want it. And then it's kind of like a beginner's luck, actually. It's really just like a beginner's luck. My head is not very big. I have a bit of a flat skull on the back, so I have to decide how wide I want my scarf to lay on top of my head. If it's going to be too wide, then it's going to kind of look a little weird at the back, although some people might like that. But I'm going to make my scarf thin. So you kind of want to bunch it up. This is in New York Brights. And fold it with one side short, one side long. And I'm not gonna hold it too close to my head because I want it to be a little bit voluminous and poofy. Ears in, ears out, whatever you prefer. I'm gonna do the tips of my ears in because it is a little cold outside. Then I'll tie this underneath, coming underneath, and just being careful not to get my hair in it. Okay, that's one, like that. And then I'm just gonna bring over this other end on top. And then what I'm gonna do, what I did is I brought it underneath this little area here. This makes it it doesn't create any pressure on my head or extra knots. Just gonna bring it underneath here. Get this over my ear, because I like it over my ear. And get that down like this. Just check that I like the volume and the style, looks good. And then I'm gonna take my hair out, like that. And there you have it. That is what I've been doing. I'm sure there's many more creative ways of doing this, but this seems super simple, super easy, and really super comfortable. So hope you enjoy. Bye.